Good morning, students. I welcome you all on the behalf of Sheba Group of School online class. So now 11th standard students, so you are going to the 4th unit. Prose I have already taken. Now you are going to the 4th unit, poem Macavity, the mystery cat. Macavity is the name of a cat, but this cat is a mystery. Mystery means a thing which we always we can have a doubt who has done this. So we cannot. It's like a puzzle. So it's the cat. Macavity is a mystery cat. So it's a puzzle cat. So now we are going to see about the author of this poem is T.S. Eliot. So you are going to see that, and you have got this on page number 126. So students, you have to go through the. So now we are going to to see the author about this point. That is on page number 128. So this time you should have got your books and your notebooks also. So try to keep your notebooks clean and neat. Whatever is being given here, you have to write this in your classwork and keep ready for your examination. It is going to approach very fast. So Thomas Stearns Eliot has lived in 1888 till 1965. So he was an essayist. He used to write most essays about a place or person like that, and a critic. So he used to criticize the things, the messages which has been written, and he also has written play. He is a drama writer and a pioneer poet of the 20th century. So he attended Smith Academy in St. Louis and then the Milton Academy in Massachusetts. So he graduated from Harvard University. It's a well-known university, Harvard University, and then left to France and the Sorbonne to study philosophy. So Eliot returned to Harvard again, returned back and deepened his knowledge by reading Indian philosophy. So Indian philosophy is always very good and very interesting for people to read. And he also studied Sanskrit. And he also finished his advanced degree at Harvard. So he is a well-educated person. So some of these popular poems include The Waste Land, Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, Ash Wednesday. So because he has learned some philosophy, he has written a poem on Ash Wednesday. Then 4 quarters, Journey of the Maggie or Maggie, you say. Then after Strange Gods and Naming of Cats. So T.S. Eliot won the Order of Merit and received the Nobel Prize of Literature in the year 1948. So we have a well-known and a well-experienced poet has written this poem, The Macavity, the Mysterious Cat. So now we are going to the poem. So turn to page number 126. So usually we used to have some pets. Nowadays children are the pets for their parents. But some people they have pets. Then those who have a cat, they will know about that. So it will be moving here and there very silently without any disturbance. But it would have done some mistakes. At here, Macavity, a mysterious cat, he is called the hidden paw. So you do all the mistakes, but there won't be any type of symptoms there. You will be going away, disappearing from the places. And he is the master criminal who can defy the law. So breaking the law, that is law that you should not do that. But what happened? Without any type of thing, he is the master criminal. What to do, and he plans everything neatly for him to do. And he is a peppermint. Peppermint is a thing which cannot be found out. By the Scotland Yard, it's a well-known police there in Britain. And the flying squad, so despair. So they were also not able to find out what this Macavity. For when they reached the scene, so some people when they give any complaint that there is a crime or a mistake which has been done here. So when they come to that place for investigation, that place McCavity will not be there, he will be flying away. So he won't be there. McCavity. There is no one like a McCavity. So there is no person like that who can do such a mischievous, such a planned criminal. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So there is a law for that gravity. If you place a thing in a place, what happens? It has to be there. It should not but what happens is, he breaks the law. He will take that and he will run away. His powers of levitation would make a fair state. And when you reach the scene, McCavity will not be there. You may seek him in the basement. So if you go and find him where he is, and if you go and see in the basement, you may look up in the air. So he is not there. So look up and see if he is sitting in any wall. So he is not there also. But I tell you once again and again I am telling you about this McCavity. That is not there. McCavity is a ginger cat. Ginger cat means it's a very intelligent cat. He will and is very tall and thin. So this cat, what happened? The poet imagines a cat with a tall and he is thin. You would know him if you say him, for his eyes are sunken in. So what happened? His eyes are there. So you can see the picture on page number 127. The picture of the cat is given here. So he is a wanted case. See, the picture is given in the police station. Wanted. So dead or alive. So his brows means the thing which is there, is deeply lined. See, you can see the picture here. With thoughts. His heads are highly doomed. So it's a doomed type of head, a round shaped head. His coat is dusty from neglect. So what happened? His coat, he is wearing a coat on his body which is a dusty one. His whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers are the mustaches which the cats have. It is been uncombed. He says his head to side. So he looks here and there to find out if there. With movements like a snake. So he moves like a snake, looking here and there. When you think, so sometimes what happens, you will be lying down, thinking as if he is sleeping. But he is not sleeping, he is always wide awake. So he is ready to do mistakes anytime. So it may for us to know that he is cheating us. So McCavity, there is no one like McCavity. So this line is repeated. For he is a fine and a faint shape, and is like a devil. He is a monster. So and a depravity. So he frightens us. You may meet him in a by street. So what happened after doing all the mistakes? What happened? You can see him in the by street, and you may see him in the square. These are the places where the poet says. So it's about the big by street and the square. But when the crime is discovered, so when you find out the mistake, what happened? The crime which has been done, he will not be there. McCavity is not there. He is an outwardly respectable. So people, they love to respect him because he is so quiet and calm. They say he cheats at cards. So we cannot believe that. People say that he cheats and he makes us the people to fall. For his footsteps are not found. So when you go and find out if there is any footsteps are there to say that only this McCavity has done, so you cannot find anything. So the Scotland Yard, another police, what happened? They have done many investigation, but they were not able to find out. And when the Landen means the cupboard where things are being kept, the cooked food and other important precious things are kept there. Landen means it has been looted. Looted means stolen away. Or the jewel case is referred. So all the jewels and other things are being kept in a place where a safe place. That also he goes inside and he referred it. Or when the milk is missing, So if you have a cupboard, so inside that milk missing or other quick being stirred. So whatever thing is missing in that cupboard, the only reason for this missing is McCavity only. So what happened? He steals everything, but he doesn't leave any type of impression there for people to find out. Or the greenhouse glass is broken. So what happened? The vegetables and other things will be kept in a greenhouse. Well, sometimes the glass will be broken. So people will be thinking, who has done it? And the teller past repair. So there is no other person, only McCavity has. And he say there is a wonder of thing. McCavity is not there, but he had done everything, broken everything, glasses in it, he has entered into it, taken and he has eaten everything, but in few minutes he will not be there. And when the foreign office land a treaty, stone has trade, or the administrative, so all the heads of the policemen and other people, they try to draw and sketch to find out where he is going and other things, but it is all loose, it is not able to find out. There may be a scrap of paper in a hall, so, or in the stairs. So when he runs away, what happened? He puts the paper and other things on the stairs and he runs. But it's useless to investigate. So the papers and other things is useless. It is not the evidence that only McCavity has come here to do this type of theft. The McCavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service says it must have been. So they take that these things would have done only by McCavity. But he is miles away. When they tried out and when they find out the person, what happened? This McCavity will not be there. He will be running away, miles away. You will be sure to find him resting. So what happened? When you see him, you can find him that nothing has been done by him. He will be sitting in one corner, resting or licking his thumbs. So usually the cat does that by licking. Or engage in doing complicated long division sums. So as if he has been doing some sums and he was waiting there and he has not gone anywhere. So like that he will be behave like that. So McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. So what he says is, you can find many cats there, but not like McCavity. So he is a very, very great, but people are like that. So what they do everything and they vanish from the place. There never was a cat in such deflectness and a gravity. So you cannot find it, a cat like that. He always makes an alibi. So alibi, then one or two to spare, and whatever time. So what he has done, you can see the glossary words. So when you are having any doubt, you can so a calm evidence. Alibi means, this is on page number 128. A calm of evidence at one or elsewhere when a crime is committed. So when a crime is committed there, what happened? The person. And whatever time the deed took place, McCavity wasn't there. So all the things, crimes or mistakes, whatever it is being done there, the place where the mistake is done, but the person who has done this mistake will not be there. He will be vanishing away. That McCavity was not there. And they say that all the cats which has been living in his area, he will be the boss. So whose wicked deeds are widely known. So he gives them. And I might mention Mogwai is a type of a cat. I might mention, so these are the two characters of the were-cat. And nothing more than agents. So they are like agents for him to help him. So when there is anything there, what happened? They give some information, and at that time what happened? They go and do that thing. Just control their operation. What happened? They start their operation of stealing the things and thing like the Napoleon. So it's a very gay Bonaparte. He is a king where a crime. It's like that. So he is a king of crime. So he does all the mistakes, but he will not be there. So what happens is, some persons are like that also. So what happened? They do everything and they put the blame on others, and they try to escape from them, and they won't feel for that also. So sometimes what happens? Friends happen like that, but don't be like McVitie. Be truthful and always live a very good friends. Don't put him in trouble, and you also don't fall in trouble. So whatever you do it in a right way, then only God will bless us. No type of mischievous things which is being done, so you accept it, that is nothing there. Nobody is going to punish us, but you should have a mind, and you can apologize that. You can ask forgiveness for what mistakes you have done. So keep this in mind. So this is a poem which talks about the McVitie, the mystery face. There are students there also who sometimes it's like a mystery. You cannot find out. They will be sitting very calm, and they would have been done every mistakes. But when the teacher or someone comes, they will be very calm, as if they have not known anything about this thing. So my dear students, keep this in mind. So this like McVitie, don't live like McVitie, to give a truthful life, and God will bless us when we are truthful. So to keep this in mind. So thank you very much for being with me, and God bless you, and go through this and learn well and get ready for your examination. Thank you very much, students. Thank you.